Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel this week, and today shape testing razor number 5 from the ongoing 8-day set. So I just get lathered up with the old red Pro Raso. Brilliant soap this. Any of the Pro Raso range are really good. Very affordable and readily available on eBay, Etsy. So, progressing on with this lovely 8-day set. There we go, just to refresh the old memory. All nice condition. So we're on to number 5. There we go, number 5. Yep. So I'll just put this box down before it goes sliding away. So, just to recap, this is number 5, same initials as the other 4. Condition is really nice, clean. You've got the logo design there. Lund, Thomas Lund. From what I've read, I would think that these razors were actually made around 1840 by his son William Lund. He actually made the razors. Yeah, from what the research I've done, his son took over the business after his father died, but he had a separate business where he made bespoke razors. Whereby the father, Thomas Lund, was known for his Coromandel vanity cases. It seems to have been very commonplace in the Victorian and Edwardian era for people of certain wealth will order their own vanity cases. Made from exotic woods like Coromandel, which is now extinct. Because during this time, transportation was getting more and more easy. Introduction of the trains, people travelled around a bit more. So it's customary to have your little travel sets. razors, sets of razors, vanity, perfume bottles. All your personal possessions for your everyday use could now be transported by train. You don't need to rely on horses. And the horseless carriage had not been invented as yet. Well, they have, but not many people could afford them. You had to be filthy rich to afford or accommodate a horseless carriage in those days, darling. I often wonder what it was like in those days. Most guys actually didn't know how to use a straight razor effectively. So they would start the day by going to the local barbers where they left their 7-day sets of razors with the barber and went down every day for a shave with a different razor. Imagine doing that every day before you start your routine. And this is number 5 is just typical of the rest of the razors. They're all pretty consistent. Well, more or less exactly the same, which is the whole point, I guess. Nice and smooth. You don't need to hack away at your whiskers with these. You have a nice straight line there. Lovely! So I'll tidy that up in a minute, but basically that's it. That's about a 4-day grow, something like that. And it just takes it off in just in one sweep. There's no need to keep scraping on at it, you know. I mean, you could do a second pass, but you don't really need it. Take a bloody skin off my thumb. And I just touched it and it took the skin off. Look at that. Bugger. Anyway, there we have it. Number 5. Out of the 6 that have got initials on them. Okay, thanks for watching. And we'll get around to doing number 6 razor on what day are we on? Wednesday. Probably over the weekend. Okay, thanks very much for watching. Bye for now. Have a good week.